Afrodaybeac here. If this is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back. I love when you guys come back and watch my videos. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be talking about the Mcgrath Divine Blush. I got mine in the shade Paradise Venus. It's supposed to be a terracotta color. Like, guys, one thing I love about Mcgrath, they always kill the packaging. Like, even down to like their eyeshadow. I have this eyeshadow, but I have another one. It's in my storage. But I have their eyeshadow palette, and first of all, she's heavy. Like Mcgrath, it's so sleek, it's so nice, but it's also so gorgeous to me. Just look. That's what I use on my eyes today. But like I said, the star is this blush, and then they match. Okay, so it's again with the black sleek look, and it says on the back, blush without caution, fabulous flirtations and exquisite seductions may result with prolonged use. I love that. So like you see, like it's just, this is a bunch of fingerprints on it, y'all. I'm so sorry. As you can see, it's just the style of Mcgrath products. I already went off camera and did my face. Like I started with my face. Y'all, if I look crazy, I'm so sorry. Not really, but whatever. Usually, you know, I would wear lashes, but today I wasn't down for it because I just don't feel like it. Just not today. Everything's okay, guys. I just don't feel like wearing lashes. So the eyeshadows retail for $38. I only got one because I've never tried the eyeshadows before. I'm sure it's gonna be great because I feel like when it comes to Mcgrath products, like Mcgrath Labs products, it's always pigmented. Like it's so, I can't open this. I'm struggling to open this. Why am I struggling? Okay, push. Little push button. Oh, you gotta push. Ooh. This is not what I was expecting when they said terracotta. Ooh, it looks like this. Gorgeous. I mean, on camera, like when you look at the screen, it looks more terracotta than it does in person. Like it's giving me more pink than orange when it comes to terracotta, but I still think it's gorgeous. Let's cut the nitty-gritty, just get into it. So the blushes actually come in 9 shades. I think I mentioned that they retail for $38. I got mine with free shipping because it was $38. So y'all know how much I love free shipping. Okay, so I see it, and to me it's light. You're not, can you see it on camera? Oh, okay, you can see it on camera. You can slightly see it on camera. I feel like it's a very flush, very natural looking terracotta. I like it. It's funny, I was watching her IG live when debuting the product, and it was like showing, I think they were contouring. I don't know if they were using this to contour because I showed it late and I'm so sad. I don't know if they were using this to contour or they contoured and they applied this and it looks so natural on the model's face. Like, look. Y'all look. You see the difference? Like, look right here. Sorry, look right here and then look right here. I like this. This is a very natural finish. I'll say that. It's a very natural finish blush. A lot of time blushes, and it's buildable. A lot of time blushes just, especially liquid blushes. I guess it's funny because I thought we were moving from powdered blushes back to liquid blushes, but I guess not, and I'm down for this. And y'all already know how I feel about like terracotta. Ooh, I might have applied too much. In person, it's fine. On camera, I apply too much. What do you think? I got like my little painter's art teacher shirt on. It's like, this has nothing to do with anything. It's a very big tangent, but he's like, y'all know what this reminds me of when I wear this blush? Y'all ever seen, I think it's called Big Fat Comfy Couch? Y'all know the girl who does the splits the clown? I don't look like a clown, but my cheeks are a lot more noticeable than usual. I'm digging it. I wouldn't say, I'm not gonna say I'm disappointed. I do love this blush. I do like this blush. But I wouldn't say this will go down as one of my favorites. It's definitely something that goes on natural and buildable, but it just didn't give me the je ne sais quoi that most Mcgrath products do. Like, it's not hitting the same as they usually do. Maybe it's the shade. That could be it. That could be the, because there are 9 shades, so it could be the shade I chose is something that's not gonna pop too much on me the way I wanted. Like, I guess I was expecting like some type of shimmer in the blush, which I'm not really seeing. I don't know why I expected that, but what do you guys think? I feel like Ooh, my edges are all over the place today. They were laid this morning. Still gorgeous though. I don't think this is gonna go down on my face. I'm gonna try it again one day, or probably wear it out, but I don't think this is something I'm gonna have on the regular. I take that back. I'll probably have it on the regular. I will not have it on camera on the regular, because this is not, it's not giving me the camera ready type of look. It's giving me like face to face in person. When you see it, it's like, oh, you have a nice little color to you, but not much of a like, you know. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I know it's like fairly short. That's what it is. If you guys end up trying the blush, let me know what you think down in the comments. And if there's anything else you guys think I should try, or any recommendations when it comes to makeup, put that in the comments too. I love when you guys like react with me and comment and just share your opinions. It just means a lot. So until the next time, bye.